What's going on, everyone? So I am going to show you what I eat, or what I'm eating right now, and I'm probably going to do something similar the next couple days, because I usually pick something and just keep eating that something until I get tired of it. Lately, I haven't been getting tired of it though. I've just been doing different things. And so I got the salsa from my run recipe, and I'm going to show you what you can use the salsa recipe for. If you haven't seen my salsa recipe, you can go check out the other video. It should be right around this video. I like a lot of salsa though. The thing is, I already do have some greens in there, so I don't need too much salsa with this. But it's basically a condiment. Basically a condiment. I'm gonna have to move it back some because there's not any room for me to come there. I need to tighten this. So I'll take a bite if I can. I would probably but what I'm eating is, I just have this is just arugula, which I haven't ate these in a long time. And it's spinach. This just happened to be organic. People like croutons. I just threw in sourdough bread. I probably wouldn't do that if I had the salsa beforehand. The bread's pretty fresh too. I mean, from the store, so not too fresh. I got cheese. I haven't really ate cheese, so this is like all pretty much new. This is smoked Gouda. But there is some really good cheese that I'm gonna get. I'll probably do a review on it. It's one of my favorite cheeses. Because there's no cheeses I really think about, but there was this one cheese that I had. My mouth's just drooling thinking about it right now. I can't show that though. But anyways, yeah, other than the arugula and spinach and the cheese, I ate like a whole, I've been eating like tomatoes. I've been loving the tomatoes. I got some whole ones in here. Been hitting the spot, honestly. And I haven't ate a salad in like a long time. Oh, months. But I've been thinking about it recently, and I really think the greens are really nice. I have chicken in here, so chicken's the meat in here. Also, change up the angle. I'm gonna throw some fat in there. You could throw any fat in there, sesame seed oil, but I'm gonna throw lard in there. I actually got this from the farm, so shout out to them. They didn't have any butter. Butter would be a good option. You can throw some fat in there. You don't have to, but I think it's definitely worth it. So I got the fat there. And last but not least, I threw in some cilantro that I forgot to throw into the salsa. And so I really like cilantro. If you're gonna get cilantro, I would get a lot of it, because it looks like a lot when you get it, but really when you use it, it kind of diminishes really quick. Maybe that's just because I love cilantro. Ginger and cilantro, when I eat them, there's just something about them that it always feels right. Does it feel right for you? Let me know what you think about everything. And that's basically it. I'll take a bite. This salsa, I'll say one more thing. I left the salsa out from earlier, so it's room temperature. Anything that's room temperature is going to digest faster and better. When animals get their kill, and just in general, even when you pull fruit off the tree, grab a vegetable off the ground, it's going to have some warmth to it, and it's not going to be freezing cold. Freezing cold digests slowly and worse. It's probably not a big deal for most people, but to some people, it's just something to know. I will say personally, I like my drinks cold. Maybe because I run hot. It maybe depends on the person. I don't really like hot drinks. Not at all. I just prefer cold drinks. It goes the same with milk. Milk digests better when it's warm. I have some milk there. I have my fridge on the lowest setting. But I also left this salad out. And I plan to finish this relatively soon. I don't plan to leave this out for days on end. So at the end of the night, I'll probably throw it back in the fridge. Think something sprung up and hit my little eye. I mean, it hits like all the spots. So that was what I ate today. And then we have the salsa that I made in a different video. I actually made it earlier today. If you have any recipes that you would like me to post about, I don't even know if I'm in the image. But if there's any recipes that you want me, or any ideas, it can be about anything, but food, questions you can ask me. Have a nice one. If you want to make a donation, my Cash App is Snap Crackle Fizzle. Snap Crackle Fizzle. It's the same as the YouTube username. And this is Fizz. I'll see everyone later.